We are in Rovaniemi, and this is the Arctic TreeHouse Hotel. And we are here with a big team, like with some people from Malaysian factory, also some people from headquarters in Europe. We are like at temperature of minus 20 degrees right now. So this is like the perfect location to test our new multi-outdoor unit that will be connected with 2 indoor units, and it is specially designed to be tested under cold weather. Obviously, when we are trying to install a unit under these conditions, it's always a challenge because of the snow, and we will be testing this unit for the winter time. So it means from now on till around March, where we can get all the data for how is the performance, which is the efficiency of this unit, how we can save some costs in terms of heating. We'll see which are the results of this new product that we will launch into the market for next season.
Arctic TreeHouse Hotel has been built in 2016, and since then we have grown up to 61 rooms with a restaurant, conference rooms, and so on. My name is Kenneth Tuomi. I'm the CEO of Santa Park Limited and Arctic TreeHouse Hotel. We are catering round about 30,000 persons on a yearly basis. The main season is the winter season, the cold season in Finland and Lapland, which is of course very beautiful. But we do also have guests coming in summertime, springtime and autumn time, which is really important for us to showcase the Lapland as a whole. So what we need from our equipment is to be matching that. We need to have the heating, we need to have the cooling. We also need to look into the quality of air, and hence the equipment installed should also be able to improve on the air condition that we have in the room, maybe taking away some small particles and making it just nicer to stay in our rooms. Regarding functionality, since, for instance, in these rooms we are now installing the Panasonic system in, we are having a fireplace, we have 2 separate bedrooms with a family room as well. You might want to have the temperature different in different room types and so forth, so the functionality is really important to us.
Yesterday we finished the installation under these extreme conditions that we have in Lapland. Now it's time to get all the data and to see how our unit are performing, and we are excited to get the results and to check how is the test of our new multi-outdoor unit in these extreme conditions.
Today we have already installed outdoor unit, and now we are making some finalized work, and after that we can take it to use.
We are all about design, and since design is an important feature, we also expect our partners to have high-end design features in their equipment. And in this case, Panasonic is able to provide 2 different indoor colors, which is really important for us. The installation of Panasonic within our premises is the first one, and I'm really looking forward to having the results out of not only the installation itself, but how the system works within this kind of climate and also this kind of operation that we do have here at Arctic TreeHouse Hotel. I would see us maybe utilizing the information we get out of this tryout and utilize Panasonic equipment in the future as well. I'm waiting for the results, let's put it that way.
We are here again in Rovaniemi in a beautiful autumn day to get the results of our test, and especially to talk with the hotel staff to know about the level of satisfaction of the guests with our power heat multi-solution.
Even though the temperature changes has been fast, the system has been really reliable. We have had no maintenance issues. Everything has been running as expected, which is of course a must in a place like this.
Thanks to our sensors, we could see the performance of our unit that was describing a perfect pattern and just going on the ice for 13 or 15 minutes every 5 hours of work. We also saw that we reach a 4.6 SCOP value, meaning a reduction on the electrical consumption of around 80% compared with the previous heating system.
And this system, having one outside unit and two indoor units, really has a benefit not only for our guests but also for our team. The low maintenance, having only one outer unit to be maintained but two indoor units, providing the possibility of creating two different climate zones in the facility, is really important. This tryout has really opened my eyes to the possibility of utilizing Panasonic in our current facilities or even in the new ones which we are planning on in the future.
We are really happy with the results of this test, proving that our Power Heat Multi is the perfect solution delivering heating in extreme conditions, fighting the toughest of winters.